don't really know me, every year I make thousands of Christmas cookies. Kind of a sickness, actually. But I make them and I give them away. Of course, I eat some of them, but hopefully I don't eat thousands, but sometimes it gets to be pretty close. But I make a big variety of them, and I call it the Cookie Sweatshop. So that started yesterday, and I had everything open in the kitchen, and I worked like a 9-to-5 job. I tried to, I helped clients in between, but most of the time I had my hands in dough and, eggs and flour and sugar and everything else all over the counter. But that has begun, so stay tuned to see. I think I actually posted some of the cookies yesterday because I've already started giving them away. But that will just continue until Christmas and probably after as well, in case I didn't see anybody before that. So stay tuned and be watching for the cookies.